viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I went to see this ocean world. I heard that a mermaid has come from outside Dubai to perform inside the aquarium. So I went to see with my husband along with my son. There is a beautiful view of these fishes. Here are so many kind of fishes, as you can see. I'll show you everything. This is the big one. Yeah, like alligator type. This one is a big one inside this aquarium. As you can see, many people are clicking pictures, taking pictures of these beautiful fishes. And let me tell you, if you want to go to inside this aquarium, you have to take ticket per person 100 rupees. Yeah, per person 100 rupees. And there is beautiful, as you can see, this it's like a kite fish. This fish is like a kite fish, so beautiful from outside. Yeah, you can see this view, black, pure black in color. And inside you can see there's a blue color view. Yeah, and this one is another type of fish. You can see my son got so much excited to see all these beautiful pictures of these beautiful fishes. As you can see, there is a different kind of fishes inside this aquarium. Variety of color you can see inside this aquarium. So beautiful. I think this one is the first time it's that is happening in Silchar. Yeah, first time it's happening in Silchar. You can see all this beautiful aquarium, and the aquarium are so big also, as you can see. I want to touch this fish. They're so beautiful in color. You can see it's amazing. It's like a magic. See, my son is so excited to see all these fishes. Actually, I am telling my son to touch the fish from outside the glass, but he is little bit scared, as these fish are very big now. That's why he is little bit scared. And see this view. This one is amazing. I love this tunnel made of these glasses. Yeah, it's like a Dubai.
Mabuk.
As you can see from here, each and everyone was separated. One line is for ladies and another line is for gents. Two line. And you can see here so many security guard also. We are making line each and every line perfect, so that each and everyone can see the mermaid show, as we are going inside to see the mermaid show. From here the line starts, and I am standing here with my son. One line is for gents here. Yeah, this is gents are waiting this line, gents in one line. Now here comes the mermaid show. She is inside the water, she's moving, dancing, and the music is playing from the background. She's doing hi, giving flying kisses and making love sign, welcoming each and every people. Now she will start dancing inside the water. It's amazing. I think this one is first time in Silchar it's happening that a mermaid dancing inside the water, inside the aquarium. I loved it. Amazing show. It was an amazing. Yeah, I gave 100 rupees for this ticket, but though I gave 100 rupees, amazing. It was amazing, and it's for only 5 minutes. I think like 5 minutes. She went up 1 minute after 1 minute, each and every minute, to take oxygen from outside.
These fancy things will never come in between. You'll have my entity here for the rest of its power. When the world has dealt its cards, lift your hands high. Together your heart, always be kind. Sweet sunshine, we shine together. Don't you want me forever? Said I'll always be your friend. And I'm sticking out to you. Now it's me. We can stand and admire forever.